Our first lesson illustrates the 6 trigonometric functions.
Now remember these 3 functions. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Now the tangent equals to opposite over adjacent. Tangent equals to opposite over adjacent.
Sino ba dito ang value ng sine?
Ako ang opposite. Ako ang hypotenuse. Namiya, sine.
Sine equals opposite over the hypotenuse.
Lagi kami magkasama. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse.
Cosine equals adjacent over the hypotenuse.
Wala ang hypotenuse. Tangent equals to opposite over adjacent.
Tangent equals to opposite over adjacent.
To start our lesson, what is trigonometric functions? The 6 trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent, define relationship between a right triangles and side lengths. Opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. The first 3 SOHCAHTOA being fundamental and other 3 being the reciprocals. This is crucial for solving triangles in geometry and physics.
The reciprocal of sine is cosecant equals hypotenuse over opposite.
The reciprocal of cosine is secant hypotenuse over adjacent.
The reciprocal of tangent is cotangent equals adjacent over opposite. Now, we are done with sine, cosine, tangent, and the reciprocals. What is the right triangle?
The right triangle. Ano nga ba ang sides ng right triangle? Meron tayong 3. Ito ay ang opposite, adjacent, at ang hypotenuse all the longest side. Ngayon, i-observe natin. Meron tayong right angle o 90 degrees. Kung saan ito nakatapat, ito ang hypotenuse. Yun ang pinakamahabang side. Doon natin ito matatandaan. Pinakamahabang side. At meron naman tayong reference angle o theta. Kung saan ito nakatapat, ito ang ating opposite side. Tandaan, kung saan nakatapat ang theta, itong side, ito ang ating opposite side. At ang nasa baba ay ang magiging adjacent o ito yung remaining side. Tandaan, ang right triangle ay laging may 3 lamang na side. Ito ay ang opposite, adjacent, at ang hypotenuse.
The right triangle is a mnemonic for right triangles defining basic trigonometric ratios. Theta is the reference angle or degree. The boxing is the right angle, which is 90 degrees. Remember that theta is a 0 with line in its middle. This is an important part of the right triangle. And now we are okay with the 6 trigonometric ratios. Let's learn how to apply this into problems.
Let's observe the given right triangle and understand how the side will be identified. And now, we apply what we have learned to this example. 5 is the given value for the hypotenuse side, where right angle is directed to.
B is the opposite side because that's where the reference angle is directed to.
And now, here is the opposite side. Here is our hypotenuse. And this is the adjacent side.
And now we have identified the sides. So we can move on to solve for the length side of B. And before that, let's recap our given values. We have a reference angle of 40 degrees. B is the opposite side to the given angle. And 5 is our hypotenuse side. Therefore, we must use the formula of sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse. Let's plug in our values. Sine 40 degree equals to opposite b over hypotenuse, which is 5. And now we have the representation of our given in the formula of sine. And now you're wondering, how do we solve this? We need to do cross multiplication. And that will be 5 times to the sine of 40 degrees. To make our process easier, we can use the concept of a over b equals c over d, where 5 will be d and sine 40 degrees will be a. So it will be 5 sine 40 degrees times 40 degrees. And when this is solved, the answer will be 3.21 units. And that is how we solve for the length side of the right triangle. We hope you have understand.
Here's another example. Let's determine the degree measure angle of theta. Hypotenuse side is 10. The reference angle or theta is directed to the opposite side, while the remaining side is adjacent with a value of 6.
And now let's solve. Since our given value is 10 for the hypotenuse side and 6 for the adjacent side, we must use the formula of cosine. Cosine theta equals to 6, which is the adjacent side, over 10, which is the hypotenuse side. And to solve this, we must use a scientific calculator. And now, first shift cos times 6 over 10 with the answer of 53.13. To convert that to degree, minutes, and seconds, press this button. And the answer will be 56 degrees 72 11.63. And that can be rounded up into 57 degrees. And that is our theta. To further enhance your understanding, we can show how to solve it in actual with a scientific calculator. Let's go! First, press number 5. Press the sine button and input the 40 degrees. And that is equals to 3.21 units. Now, press shift cos and go to the fraction button. Input your values of 6. Press the button to go down and press the another value of 10, just like that, equals to 53.13. Now press this button to convert it. This will be the answer. Round up and the answer is 57 degrees.